showing you guys two different looks using my two shades of Bubble X Elsa blush collab. I'm going to start with my lip contour wand that I created especially for the lips, but you can totally use it everywhere. Like I'm using it on my cheeks, around my lips, on my eyes, on my jawline, on my forehead, and then blending that in with a big blending brush and upwards motions. I want this look to be contoured, glowy, sun-kissed. And this is my all-time favorite shade. It's called Golden Hour. It comes in a super squishy cushion blush formula, and it's full of serum. And it has the most gorgeous shine and color, and it literally looks like a filter and that the sun hit your face. It's a corally warm tone. I used the excess on my lips, and there you have my finished look. Very easy to do. So for my next look, I add a little bit of liner, a little bit of eyeshadow, and I'm going to use this icy pink inspired by the year 2000. It's called Cherry Blossom. And I'm just putting that on the upwards motion on my upper cheekbones and blending that into my temples, and then blending it with a little bit of a brush into my eyeshadow, just for that TikTok popular makeup look that I wanted to create, and I love it.